Hello students, in previous video we have started the revision of exercise of lesson number 9 and we have revised fill-ups and true-false of this lesson. Now today we will revise the MCQs and question answers of this lesson. So first is a pressure cooker is usually used for. So we have discussed about the different types of utensils that are used for cooking food. So pressure cooker is usually used for which method of cooking? That is frying, roasting, boiling and baking. So we know that it is used for boiling. Boiling के लिए use किया जाता है pressure cooker. And baking is generally not used for preparing. So read the question carefully. Not used for preparing. So क्या prepare नहीं करने के लिए use किया जाता है baking method of cooking? Pulses, biscuits, cakes and pizza. So we know biscuits, cakes and pizza are prepared by baking method, right? But pulses are prepared by boiling. Boiling से prepare किया जाता है. So this So pulses are not used for pulses are not prepared by baking method. Next is it is advisable to eat as little as possible of baked food, fried food, steamed food or boiled food. So which method of cooking is not good for our health? So that is which type of food? Fried food. Right, and we have learned in the chapter that the fried food, the food which is prepared by frying method of cooking is not good for our health. So it is advisable to eat as little as possible of fried food. Fried food को हमें कम से कम खाना चाहिए, right? And next is your matchups. So here in one column the names of different food items are given: pulses, idli, cake, chapati and eggs. On other sides the utensils used for preparing these food items are given. So you have to match them. So pulses are prepared in pressure cooker. That we all know that pressure cooker is used for boiling and pulses are prepared by boiling. So pulses are prepared and cooked in pressure cookers. Idlis. So idli में कौन सा method of cooking use होता है? That is steaming. And steaming के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Steamer. Cake is prepared by baking. So oven is used for preparing cake. And in chapati, direct heating, right? Chapati is prepared by direct heating. And we use tawa for preparing it. So tawa or griddle. What we call tawa? Griddle. Next is your eggs. Eggs is prepared by boiling method again, right? So metal bowl is used for preparing eggs. So it is not necessary कि सिर्फ boiling ही method से होता है. ये दूसरे method of cooking से भी prepare होते हैं हमारे eggs. Cook होते हैं हमारे eggs. Next is answer the following question in brief. So in what form early man used to eat food? Very easy and simple question. कि किस form में जो early man है वो food खाता था? So early man used to eat food in raw form. कौन सी form में? Raw form. वो कच्चा ही खाता था because at that time fire was not discovered. जब fire नहीं थी तो he don't know that जो फूड है उसको कुक भी किया जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज नेम एनी 3 different methods of cooking food. So very easy question. We have learned about the different methods of cooking food. So you can write any 3. So it is up to you कौन सा method of cooking आप लिखना चाहते हैं. जो आपको easy लगता है वो आप लिख सकते हैं. Boiling and steaming, baking, frying, direct heating. So कोई भी आप 3 methods आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं. List the methods of cooking. which require water. So ये हमने बहुत बार रिवाइज भी किया है, बहुत बार मैंने एक्सप्लेन भी किया है that the methods of cooking which require water are कौन कौन से हैं वो methods. First is boiling. For boiling we need water because water में ही हम फूड जो हमें कुक करना होता है उसको डिप करते हैं, राइट. And second is your steaming, because in steaming we use the steam obtained from the boiled water. जो वाटर में से बॉइल वाटर में से स्टीम निकलती है उसके हम यूज करते हैं स्टीमिंग मेथड ऑफ कुकिंग में. So in these two methods of cooking, like this boiling and steaming, we require water, right? Next is name the oldest method of cooking known to man. So out of these 5 methods, boiling, steaming, baking, frying, direct heating, which method of cooking is the oldest one? सबसे पुराना कौन सा method है? So direct heating is the oldest method of cooking known to man, because you know that early man used to eat food in raw form जब तक फायर डिस्कवर नहीं हुई. एंड व्हेन फायर वाज डिस्कवर्ड तो उस टाइम उनके पास कोई यूटेंसिल्स नहीं थे. वो डायरेक्ट क्या करते थे, फायर में ही जो भी चीज़ उनको कुक करनी होती थी वो डायरेक्ट फायर में ही डाल देते थे. एंड दैट इज डायरेक्ट हीटिंग. सो डायरेक्ट हीटिंग इज द ओल्डेस्ट मेथड ऑफ कुकिंग known to man. And last one is how is baking done? So you all know that baking is done in an oven. And what is baking? Baking is indirect heating. Indirect heating होती है with or without using oil, right? And indirect heating के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? We usually use oven for baking. So in next video we will revise the remaining questions of this lesson. Thank you.